It's recorded.
Hey, welcome to Cannabis Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. So as you see right here.
DEA, man, we say selfie car with kids. Yeah, all I'm gonna put it there, make sure to tune in. Don't move, don't even blink, I'm gonna them put on good. I want the DEA, Selfie TV, and loud.
No DVD, no CD, no cassette, no cable. We and Tifa, we are watch. Oh, so Tifa, tell me something. Oh, one thing I want to know, you inspire me a lot through your music and the girls and everything see me, and even as you have you as a role model. You can tell me or tell Selfie TV and the youth them, how can we make it like you?
Only my word now.
That's only my word. But determination is key. You can't lose faith. You have to have hope. You have to believe in the man above. You see it and believe in yourself and don't sell out. Selling out only last a minute. Stick to your morals and your values.
Oh, you mean? So now you're here from the one and only Tifa right here live at Margaritaville. Crazy Neela, share the place. Selfie TV.
Selfie TV.
No cassette, no CD, no DVD. We are watch.